Bam bam ayo, what a bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam, bam bam dilang, bam bam ayo, what a bam bam, ta what a bam bam. This woman never trouble no one. I'm a lady, I'm not a man. MC is my ambition. I come free nice of Jamaican, so bam.
Fuck, Dad? Son, what are the 3 principles to getting in shape?
I don't fucking know, Dad.
Exercise, circumcise, and moisturize. So go downstairs and make yourself some breakfast. Chug it up, chug it up. Chug! Come on, son. Why aren't you drinking your muscle powder?
Because it tastes really gross, Dad.
Taste? Who said nothing about taste, okay? Don't you want to be big and strong like your dad?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you do. And there's bullies out there in this world. They're not just in middle school. They're everywhere. I go to the post office. I get fisted in the kneecaps. And I don't want that to happen to you, my boy. My only boy, my heir. Please, I don't want you to get hurt in this world, this dangerous world. You need to work out. You need to get strong, okay?
Okay.
So I need you to chug your muscle powder.
No.
Excuse me?
No, Dad, I'm not. I don't care about being buff.
Really? Really?
What the?
Why? Did that hurt you? Yeah, I'm sure it did. Because I drink my muscle powder, huh? I drink my muscle powder. I can hit slaps like that because I drink my muscle powder. Yeah, that's right. I'll show you how a real man works out. You come here with me now, and you watch out that window, and you see how Poppy gets buff. You hand me those weights! And you look out that window. Turn around!
What the?
Bloipers.
Go. Oh my fucking god.
Fuck, Dad. What the fuck, Dad? What the fuck, Dad? No, you No.
I go to the post office. I get fisted in the kneecaps.
Get inside, get inside, get inside. Oh my god.
It's locked. What the fuck? What the fuck? It's locked. Get the door open. Why'd you lock it? Go get it, fucking go in! Go in, I'm freezing! Brian! I will kick the shit out of you! Get the fucking door open! What the fuck? Sophie's gonna get mad at me now! I'll get the key, Get the key, you bitch! Why'd you lock it? I just locked it. Get the key!
You weren't supposed to come out, Ryan.
This is why you were.
How was that for you?
Cold.